Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Phoebe. Today we're going to be talking about a number of new limited edition items from my brand Moonshine Manny. Firstly, we're going to talk about the mix-along. We just had our Halloween baking mix-along, which was what the members of the Moonshine Manny fans Facebook group chose should be our theme for mixing up polish for this last month. I know now it's September, but we always have it at the tail of the month. So we were inspired by Halloween baking. Man, when we do baking inspirations, there's always so many fun, cute, colorful things to inspire us. And so we made 4 new polishes all inspired by the theme. Here's one that I'm wearing today. Actually, I have another one on my thumb. But everything also had like an eyeball theme because a lot of the baked goods had like little googly eyes or like big jawbreaker eyes on them and things like that. So we had so much fun, we had so many laughs, and came up with 4 new unique polishes. These are small batch shades. The purpose of the mix along is to just get together as a community and have some fun, celebrate polish, make some fun, interesting things. And these polishes won't stay on the website for long, so if you see something that you like, make sure to go and snag them. So we're gonna look at those 4 polishes first. I'm gonna live swatch everything for you on my nails and give you full hand swatches. Then we're gonna talk about the 2 polishes that were released on Friday, and those were the MSM comeback shade. I've been bringing back the 4 Hogwarts houses inspired polishes from years and years ago. I feel like probably, 2018 or something. This month I did Hufflepuff Just and Loyal. They are 2.0 formulas because I don't have the recipes for polishes that far back. Do you remember the recipe disaster where I went and got a new phone and forgot to move over my recipes? I now have a different place where I store all of that stuff. But yes, that was my huge disaster and lost all those recipes. So in any case, Hufflepuff Just and Loyal is back. It also is a single batch re-release, so if you enjoy it, make sure to grab it. And then we'll look at the late August Facebook group, custom designed by a group member, Amy this time. She designed Belief in Yourself, and it's this really beautiful deep fall purple. And so we'll look at those things. Then after that, we will swatch the September Polish Pickup and Hella Handmade Creations exclusives that I created for those events. The Polish Pickup one is coming up this Friday, September 6th, and the theme is Vintage Halloween. And I've created a black to pink thermal inspired by this photo of the Exorcist poster. I saw it on some fashion. It was actually on like a sweater, and I said, oh, well, that's probably my favorite rendition of the Exorcist experience is this beautiful black to pink. So and then we will be finally looking at my HHC exclusive for September. My theme right now is romantasy, and this month's book that I'm inspired by is Legendborn. If you haven't read it and you enjoy fantasy romance books, I definitely recommend. So that's what we're going to do. That's kind of our order of swatching. Let's go ahead and get into it. We are going to kick off this swatch with eye candy. This is the first polish that we made. It's inspired by these adorable cookies. And so this is a glitter crelly, and I added green, black, and white dot glitters. And there's also a bit of a custom mix of black glitters that include a little bit of iridescence in there, and it's all in this really nice, slightly warm, kind of punchy pink. And I just think it is really, really fun. Pink for Halloween. You're going to see later on in the video, I'm feeling pink for Halloween. So there is 2 coats of eye candy. You're going to see 2 coats of everything today. Next, we have Terrorize, and you guys named all these polishes and you did awesome, inspired by those Jello shots right there. We talked about Jello shots for a long time because I kept trying to tell Tim, it doesn't make sense. It's not liquid, it's solid. Anyway, Terrorize is a deep indigo jelly filled with orange, purple, and black metallic flakes and purple, pink, blue iridescent flakes. So I'm going to swatch this in 2 coats just like the rest. It does have a jelly finish, so you're going to see all of those components build up on each other, kind of like a pond mani. it just looks squishy and juicy and super, super fun. So we have our Halloween shades nestled into this beautiful indigo jelly. Next up, we have the Icing on the Cake. This color, the base is this really cool steel indigo, specifically inspired by the icing shade on this super awesome inspiration image cake here. And then we have that nice bright sour apple green to gold shimmer glowing through this polish. And then we have some freckling of gold metallic flakes and some multichrome flakes that are bringing in some teal and some fuchsia and purple. So this is the icing on the cake at 2 coats, and it's just really soft and beautiful, and I love that eerie glow. And then the fourth and final polish that we made at the mix-along is Vamp-eyer Blood, inspired by this super awesome cake. And this was the polish that we made in the members mix-along, and thank you again to those of you who are supporting the channel with your monthly membership. Vamp-eyer Blood is a rich raisin red brown with a soft black to red multi-chrome glow and sparkling with platinum and gunmetal flakes. And so it's just that really, really yummy deep red brown. With this polish, we were actually playing with a thermal pigment that went through some shades of red and pink, but because we added so much black to make a super, super dark red, the thermal shift definitely is not super visible. But if you notice a slight change between cold and warm on this one, that is why. So next up, we're going to look at Belief in Yourself. I love this polish so much. It's so pretty. So it's inspired by that image right up there. This is a fall burgundy jelly glowing with orange to gold to green shimmer and multichrome flakes shifting through purple fuchsia navy and orange red gold. We just wanted to bring all of the fall into this deep burgundy jelly, and it is very sparkly and glowy and twinkly and kind of has a whole fall rainbow going on in this really delicate glow there on the nail, and I just love it. One of my recent faves for sure. So here is 2 coats of Belief in Yourself. Each month's custom is available for about 3 weeks, so this will be on the website for about 3 weeks. And currently, the next month's Facebook group custom inspiration image is being chosen in the Facebook group right now. Next, let's look at Hufflepuff Just and Loyal 2.0. So this is this really beautiful, bright yellow gold jelly. And this formula is, again, for layering up of the components. We have this kind of glass fleck gold shimmer going all throughout the base, and then you have black and gold glitter elements as well as some flaky elements in this polish to layer up to your heart's content 2 or 3 coats to achieve your Hufflepuff golden nail. So Hufflepuff happens to be my house, so I am always super, super excited to wear this shade. So next we're going to look at the 2 exclusives that I have for the monthly events. So the Exorcist, like I was saying before, is for polish pickup. This is a black to pink thermal glowing with iridescent flakes shifting through pink, purple, orange, gold, and black matte flakes. It's inspired by this image up here. So this one's going to be black when you are cold, and then it's going to go to this rosy pink hue when you are warm. And you could layer this up at more than 2 coats if you wanted to. I just did 2. I really like the look that it has in the 2 coats. And again, layering up the jelly formula, because if you have all of those beautiful iridescent flakies in there, here are the 2 sides of the shift. Then you can layer up those flakies and create a unique look, and it's super, super fun. And the Exorcist will be available this Friday through Monday at the Polish Pickup website. And finally, we have Legendborn, and this is another thermal. This color here that you're looking at is the cold state, this rich scarlet hue. And then when it is warm, it's going to be more pink. So this polish is inspired by that image there, but also the book, which is awesome. I definitely recommend for you. Legendborn is a red to pink thermal filled with enchanting sapphire iridescent flakes, navy to violet multichrome flakes, black flakes, and hollow flakes. So they're
is a cap of 200 on both of these limited edition polishes for these events. And this polish is going to be available starting the 14th and run through the 21st of September. And all those websites and things will be linked in the description bar down below. So there you have it. That is the final polish we're looking at today.
Alright guys, so those are all the new polishes from Moonshine Manny that I'm going to be swatching with you today. Most of them are on my website, moonshinemanny.com. That will be in the description bar below. And then the final 2 polishes that are exclusives for those events are also linked down in the description bar below. If you go there now though, you'll just be able to, I think, like wish list and get ready for the event, but they won't be live until the dates that are down in the description bar. So I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today, looking at some fun, pretty polish. I hope you're having a great day. I'll see you back for another live swatch and review very soon. We have Zoya's first of 2 fall collections to look at, so we will do that, and I'll see you back then. Bye.